This morning, signs Donald Trump's criminal trial is coming to a close after his defense team took a sprawling first crack at Michael Cohen. Mr. Trump's lead attorney offering jurors a grab bag of reasons to question Cohen's motives, from money, fame, and media attention to jealousy and a lighter prison sentence, all in an attempt to argue Cohen, the only witness who directly ties the former president to the prosecution's charges, can't be trusted.
Can you believe I've been in here for 5 weeks instead of campaigning?
Trump attorney Todd Blanche first launching into Cohen's videos on TikTok that had criticized Blanche, but the judge quickly warning, don't make it about yourself. Cohen depicted as a jilted former fixer now out for revenge. Blanche asserting, you were actually obsessed with President Trump, weren't you? Citing Cohen's own words in his book. Cohen also admitting he made more than $3 million off his books. Tuesday's cross-examination highly anticipated, but only a small portion was spent on Cohen's criminal history and admitted lies under oath, and nothing on the critical testimony Cohen had provided just hours before, a tedious but legally significant play-by-play of invoices he sent and checks he received from Mr. Trump, all littered, Cohen says, with false statements, so that the former president could paper over how he reimbursed Cohen for having silenced Stormy Daniels on his behalf to protect his 2016 campaign, the heart of the state's case. Cohen going on to describe how his once tight bond with the former president frayed and ultimately imploded after the FBI raided his home and office in 2018, testifying Mr. Trump tried to reassure him, saying, don't worry, I am the president of the United States. Stay tough, which Cohen understood was code for don't flip.
All right, so let's take stock of this testimony so far, because it very much seems that Michael Cohen is key to this case. If the prosecutors, if the jury doesn't believe Michael Cohen, the prosecutors don't win their case, likely. So how did his testimony come in on direct, and how is this crossed so far? Are they scoring any points?
So he is very measured. He's being careful. He was clearly well prepared. But you can see the defense is trying to get under his skin, and so they're goading him with certain things. And so far, he's not taking the bait, but he is resisting on certain things that he should just be able to admit because they're clear facts, right? And so anytime you see a witness starting to try to parse, well, that was an inaccurate statement, not a lie, I think you're in dangerous territory.
He's getting a little combative on this stand?
He is combative. He's resisting things he shouldn't. But we also haven't seen the defense do what we thought he would do, which is say, were you lying then? Are you lying now? We haven't seen him the defense attorney really drill down on that. He's going to get another shot with him tomorrow, but he had his first crack and he didn't take it.
The first questions asked by the defense attorney were about himself. The defense attorney, which even the judge at sidebar said, what are you doing?
The judge was incredulous about that. And when he first did it, the jurors popped up. They're right after lunch, usually kind of a sleepy time. They were all in on that.
Because it's drama. It's like, you called me this name.
Exactly. But the judge really kneecapped him on that. And he really didn't recover after that moment.
Well, it's kind of irrelevant, right?
Totally.
Yeah. Okay, Laura, thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.